Let's explore how to resolve Workday connector authentication errors that arise from incorrect URL formatting. This presentation, brought to you by Anudeep and Bhumi, will guide you through identifying and fixing these common issues to ensure seamless integration with Workday. The issue we're addressing involves users encountering authentication failures when integrating with the Workday connector. Specifically, users often receive an error message indicating an invalid username or password. This can be a frustrating roadblock in the integration process. The error message typically presents as follows: SOPNV client.authentication error, invalid username or password. This error indicates a problem with the authentication credentials being passed to the Workday connector, preventing successful access and data exchange. While the authentication failures might stem from genuine authentication issues, there's another potential cause we need to consider. In some instances, this error arises when the Workday connector is configured without a trailing slash in the service URL. The Workday connector requires a very specific URL structure to authenticate successfully. A common oversight is the omission of a trailing slash represented by the / character at the end of the service URL. This seemingly minor detail can have significant consequences, causing the connector to misroute the request and ultimately leading to authentication errors. Therefore, it's crucial to ensure the URL is correctly formatted to avoid these issues. To resolve this issue, ensure that the Workday service URL includes a trailing slash. The correct format for the URL is shown here in this. It's essential to replace the placeholders, Workday hostname and tenant name, with your actual Workday instance details. The trailing slash is mandatory. Without it, the connector may fail to reach the correct endpoint, resulting in login issues. By adding the trailing slash, you ensure that the connector correctly routes the authentication request, resolving the error and enabling successful integration with Workday. In summary, Workday connector authentication errors can often be traced back to a missing trailing slash in the service URL. By ensuring the URL is correctly formatted with the trailing slash, you can resolve these errors and maintain a stable integration with Workday.